I was studying detection circuits for mobile phones, then made an interesting and accidental discovery. Your hand puts out energies like mobile phone radiation as well. You can see as my hand goes on the side or through this loop of yellow wire, that triggers an LED to turn on or off. Let's look at that from another angle. Very cool, isn't it? Next, let us look at what happens when I place a mobile phone nearby. The energy from this mobile phone, even when it's solid, triggers the detector using that yellow loop of wire. Let's watch what happens when we place a Wi-Fi extender nearby. It picks up the internet signals as well. The main thing, of course, is that it picks up life energy from the human body. If I place, say, a lemon inside instead, nothing happens. When I take out the lemon and put my hand, watch what happens. So this isn't just resistance, it's some sort of life energy effect, which the detector is causing to light the LED. Here's the schematic diagram of the circuit I've been using for these experiments. It looks like a standard mobile phone detection circuit with an op-amp and a transistor, except by careful study I found that one wire here leading from the output of the op-amp to the base of the transistor, labeled in yellow, can be made much larger like a loop antenna to increase sensitivity. And that's where all the radiation is being absorbed by coming out of that wire back through this resistor into the input of the op-amp as a positive feedback cycle. Typically what you do is you adjust the voltage so that the red light just comes on, say at 5.4 volts, and then you turn it down just a little till the light goes off, and then you stick your hand through and the light will turn on quite easily. Now we're at 5.2 volts. So you drop the voltage about 5.4 to 5.2, and then your hand can just trigger the LED. Another way to run this circuit is to add a capacitor of 22 picofarads across inputs 1 and 8 of the op-amp to get a strobe light effect. Now how does that affect wireless energy sensitivity? Using a strobe lamp, it seems to be a little less sensitive. You have to stick your hand a little further into it to get the strobe to turn on. Or you actually have to physically touch the wire a little bit. When using a strobe lamp, we can also move a mobile phone some distance away to closer, and that will activate the detection device, even when it's not ringing. In summary, by studying carefully mobile phone detectors, we have been able to find a new way to measure the wireless energies emitted by a living human body across several centimeters of space. They're a bit weak on the outside and very strong on the inside of this yellow loop antenna. This could be of great interest to people worldwide because some people think humans don't have energy, and now we know a physical way to measure that they do. Thank you very much. I hope it's interesting for everyone.